Hello friends, how are you all? I hope so all are good and all things are also going well. So yes, today we will start with the body movements topic, gait of animals. That means we have to study the movements of animal, how the animals move, how animals take a movement and different animals take different movement and different activities. Yes, so we study all the part of humans. So we will start with animals. First part is earthworm. First part is earthworm. Yes, all of you know about the earthworm. Yes, clear. Made up of many rings. Its body is made up of many rings. I am writing the main important points, just main important points of the paragraph. I am not writing the whole paragraph because whole paragraph is present in your book also. So why do you need to see this video? So I am just pretending the important notes from the 2 to 3 books for you. Okay. So made up of many rings. That means body of earthworm is made up of many rings joined end to end. Rings are joined end to end like this. These rings are joined with end to end. Doesn't have bone. It doesn't have bone. Okay, earthworm doesn't have bones. Muscles which help to extend and shorten. It moves through with the help of muscles. It moves through with the help of muscles. The muscles will help him to extend and shorten. To extend, sometime it became like this, sometime it became like this. Shorten and extend. Clear? During movement, while earthworm move, earthworm first extend the front part. Like this is earthworm. First it extend the front part, keeping the rear part at the rest, keeping the rear portion fixed to the ground. Clear? And then vice versa. Then it will fix the front part and move with the last part. By following this method, he will help the body to move on the soil. Okay? That means, like this is the earthworm. Image this is the earthworm. This is the front part. This is the rear part. Firstly, it will move only with this. This portion is on the rest. Then this portion is on the rest, move with like this. Come here. Then it will move, this is on rest. Then it will move, this is on rest. So vice versa will going on in the full movement. Then shorten the body. And while doing this vice versa and fixing or movement, first part extended and last part portion, it will shorten their body and pull the rear end. That means it he make its body short and pull completely body in the forward direction. Okay. Move through soil by expansion and contraction. Yes, it moved through soil by expansion. That means sometime it became in expanded form, sometime it became in very small in size. So expansion and contraction. Expansion means large in size, contraction means short in size. Clear? So earthworm will move through expansions and contractions through the soil. Body secrete a slimy substance. Its body secrete a slimy substance. Its body secreted, that means its body will reduce a slimy substance. It is very useful for soil to make the soil fertile. Eats its way through the soil. It will eat its way through the soil. Where the earthworm move, it will eat the soil there where it's move. Clear? Eats its way through soil, through undigested part of material, and when it is moved through the undigested part of their body into the soil, and that makes the soil fertile. So earthworms are very special, very important and important role in making the soil fertile. So yes, earthworms are very important for making our soil fertile. So clear how earthworm moves. Firstly, they will expand their front part of the body, keep at the last part of body at the rest. Then it will contraction on their body. Then it will move in the forward direction. Then first part is on the rest, last part in the movement, and vice versa would be there. Clear? Is there any doubt in the earthworm topic? Made up of ring, joined end to end, doesn't have any bones. Muscle help to move, make an extension and shorten. During movement, it will extend the front part, keeping the rear position fixed to the ground, and the vice versa. And main important part is it eats through the soil, through undigested part of material, and which makes soil fertile. Clear? And expansion and contractions are the main important role in the movement of earthworm. Clear? Is there any doubt in this topic? Have a look. Yes, so next part is snail. How the snail move? What are the movements of snail? Have you observed any snail around you? Yes, if you find any snail, put the snail on a glass plate and then focus on the movement of the snail. If you have guts, then do it. It never harm anyone, okay? So it have the rounded structure. Snail have the rounded structure. I am not able to draw the diagram of snail, so please take a look from book. It have the rounded structure. It having the shell. Shell structure is there like this. I am making like this. This is the shell. Rounded structure. This is the shell. Okay. And rounded structure shell. Outer skeleton. The shell is known as outer skeleton, but it's not made up of bones. This outer skeleton is not made up of bone, but is outer skeleton. That means in human body skeleton is made up of bones, but its snail outer skeleton is not made up of bone. It is the important point. Clear? It is not made up of bones. Yes, shell is the single unit. It is the single unit. Doesn't help in moving. Shell doesn't help in moving. It's drag alone. It drags alone. It will help move alone. It never helps snail in the movement. Clear? Up to here, any doubt? Snail have rounded structure. Shell outer skeleton, but doesn't made up of bones. And the shell will not help in any movement. Doesn't help in moving. It drag alone. And how it move? The movement process is thick structure and head. That means which is the thick structure, which is this. Here is head. This is the thick structure and head. Come out from this shell. Come out from this shell, and thick structure is its foot. Thick structure is working as its foot. Thick structure is working as its foot. Clear? So we are working with our foots. So snail also movement by its foots. And thick structure, that means its foots having the strong muscles by which it help in moving, and by which the snail will able to move from one place to another, and their movement is in wavy motion. And their movement is always in wavy motion. So clear to all of you, snail movement. Snail has a rounded structure shell. Outer skeleton not made up of bones. Shell doesn't help in any movement. It drag alone, and there is a wavy motion. There is a wavy motion. Thick structure and head come out and help in movement. And thin structure is as an foot of the snail, and they are the strong muscles. Clear to all of you? Any doubt in this topic? Yes, come to next. So our next and last topic is cockroach. I am very afraid about cockroach. Is there anyone also who are afraid of from cockroach? Yes, it walk, climb and fly. Yes, maybe they are walking on the floor, on the wall, fly and climb also. They are easily climb on the walls also. Very dangerous. They have 3 pair of legs. They have 3 pair of legs. That means they have 6 legs. 3 pairs. 1 pair having 2. That means they have 6 legs. They are helping in walking. They are helping the cockroach in walking. Body covered with hard outer skeleton. Yes, body is covered with the hard outer skeleton. Number of plates joined together and permit movements. That means the body which are outer, we said na, outer skeleton, there are number of plates joined together and permit the movement for the cockroach. Clear up to here? They are able to walk, climb and fly. 3 pair of legs, that means 6 legs, help in walking, and body covered with hard outer skeleton. And in hard outer skeleton, there are number of plates joined together and permits movement. Yes, there are 2 pair of wings, that means 4 wings. That means 4 wings they have behind head, and distinct muscles. That means distinct muscles, those near the legs, move the legs for walking. They'll move the leg for walking, and which muscles using for walking, these are the distinct muscles. Okay, the muscles which are used for this, these are the distinct muscles. Body muscles moves the wings. Body muscle move the wings then when fly. If body muscles walking, then the fly. Listen here. Body muscles move the wings when cockroach flies. When cockroach flies, the body muscles moves the wing. How cockroach able to fly? When they with the help of their wings. If the wings will fly, then the body muscle will move. Body muscle of the cockroaches will move. Clear to all of you? Cockroach having walk, climb and fly ability. 3 pair of legs, that means 6 legs, help in walking. Body covered with hard outer skeleton. Hard outer skeleton made up of number of plates joined together and permits movement. Yes, 2 pair of wings, that means 4 wings behind head, and distinct muscles help in walking. Distal muscles help in walking. Those near the leg move the leg for walking. Move the leg for, obviously we are also move our leg for walking. And when cockroach fly, body muscles will move. So for today, is there any doubts? For today, this is enough for us. Gait of animals clear. So I am not doing 2 to 3 topics in video. I am making short video. That's why you able to understand each and everything. So today animals is clear. Animals is finished. So tomorrow we will start with fish and birds, and maybe tomorrow our chapter is also finished, and day after tomorrow we will start with our exercise. So please revise it and please like and subscribe my channel. I am doing so much effort only for you. Is there any doubt? If you're not able to understand anything, or you know not liking my way of teaching, then please comment me. I will surely remove your doubts. Okay, thank you.